Namaste students. I hope you all are safe. My name is Shweta. I am your maths teacher. Let us start today's class. In your previous class, we already started chapter 2, shapes and angles. So we learned what do you mean by shape, what do you mean by angles and types of angles, and how many types of shapes are there, what do you mean by polygons. These are all basic things we learned. Let us continue these shapes and angles only. Go around with your tester and draw those things in which the tester opens like the letter L. Are you sure they are all right angle? See, right angle. What do you mean by right angle? Exactly, it measures 90 degree. It will be a 90 right angle. See, here window they are taken and show window it is showing. So like that L letter, if you open the window, then it is a right angle. It is they are asking, so it is a right angle. See, door is a very good example. Door, if you close it the door completely, then it is a 0 degree. If you open little bit, then it angle will form. So like that, if you opened little bit like that, if you open means so many angles it form. You can check it. Practice time. Look at the angle in the picture and fill the table. See here one already they done. See here angles they are given by using the pictures. Right angle, more than right angle, less than right angle. So if it is more than right angle, you have to put tick mark for that. If it is less than right angle, you have to put tick mark for the less than right angle column. Right angle means right angle column. Second picture, you can observe that man hand. If you measure that man hand, then it is a right angle. So it is measures 90 degree. It is a right angle. And third picture, it is a kite. Kite is made up of shape. Kite shape is rhombus. See, rhombus is all angles are equal to 90 degree. In a rhombus, all angles are equal to 90 degree, and all sides are equal in a rhombus. So it is a looks like rhombus. So it is all angle is equal to 90 degree. It is a right angle. And third picture, you can observe one instrument. It is more than right angle. So more than right angle means it is obtuse angle. Less than right angle means it is acute angle. And stop picture also you can observe. It is also more than right angle. Sukum made this picture with so many angles. See, Sukum made a picture and he colored it. So what you have to do means use color pencils to mark angles. See, to mark the for this picture you have to mark the angles. In your textbook only you do it. Color pencil you have to take. If it is right angle means you have to use the black color. If it is more than right angle means you have to use green color. If it is less than right angle means you have to use blue color. Let us see solution. See here, red color dress this man is wearing, no? So this man hand you can observe it is a right angle. So it is marked with black color. So if it is less than right angle, then that man hat you can observe. So the man hat, it is acute angle means less than 90 degree means you have to mark it with blue color because it is a acute angle. And more than 90 degree means you have to mark it with green color. So you can do it yourself. Draw anything of your choice around the angle shown. Also write what kind of angle it is. The first one is done. See, first one already done. It is a less than right angle. Crocodile mouth is less than right angle. Second picture is what angle it is you have to tell. So second picture exactly it is right angle 90 degree. So it is right angle. Third picture also it is a 90 degree. If you measure that angle it is a 90 degree, then it is called as right angle. Fourth picture you can observe it is more than 90 degrees, so it is a obtuse angle. Fifth picture it is a acute angle because it is less than 90 degree. Sixth picture also, last picture also it is a less than 90 degree, so it is a acute angle. One activity they are given, you can do it along with me. Take one sheet of paper, one square sheet of paper you take, then you fold it like this. See, fold it like this. Again, one more time you fold it and press it neatly. See, like this. 2 times you have to fold and you have to open that. So if you open means you will get here folded line. See, folded line you get. So that I have marked with by using pen. That is the dotted line I marked. So then you take this corner and you have to fold like this up to the dotted line. Then you can see here it is a right hand. So we did one activity that you can do it yourself, and angle with your body. So if you sit and if you walking there also it will form a angle. See in this picture you can observe. Angle garden. My angle dance show the way. When I see flower for making honey, I want to tell other bees to show them the way I start dancing. My dance shows the angle between the sun and the flower. So you can observe here. See, honeybee is telling when honeybee see a flower, so that yeah, to making honey, because honeybee extracts honey from the flower itself. So it see when it see a flower, what it tells to other honeybees. So it was dancing. So dancing, when it was dancing from sun to that see, my dance shows the angle between the sun and the and that flower. So when it is dancing, the angle between the sun and that flower, you can see here angle they marked. So there also it will be angle formed. And one activity is there, you can do it. Collect some leaves from the garden. So you have to collect some leaves, color each leaves and print it. See, color that leaf, any color you can use and print it. Look at the angle on the leaf, which of them are more less than a right angle. Here they are marked. See here, they used color for the leaf and they arranged like this. See, um, leaf. So you can observe here also angles, and so like that. So many is there. Look for the bird which have beak with small angle. See this bird, it opens his beak little bit, so it is a small angle. In the picture mark angle between the two branches, which two branches have the biggest angle. Branches also is there. So many branches you can see for that bird you can see. So which is the biggest angle, which is the smallest angle, you can observe here. Here, angles in names. You know there are angles in the letter of our names too. See, if you write even our names uh, by using capital letter and all or using straight lines, then it will be formed as angle. See here, this name Sukham. See so many angles it form. In my name, see Sukham. In my name, there are 11 right angles. See, 11 right angles are there in her name, and there are also 10 angles less than right angle. So, like that, you can also write your name like this, and you can check it. Activity: you put 10 books, maths, magic books on top of each other. Keep one book slanting to make a slide. Now do this with the 6 books. Roll a ball from the top. From which slide does the ball roll down faster? See, if it is slide, then the ball rolls the down faster. Which slide has smaller angle? So if it is angle is more for the slider, then the ball will move faster. If it is less angle, means small angle it will form, means it is a it rolls very slowly. So like that. So put 10 math faster. So like this is the activity. Yeah. These, see here, slider they are given. These are two slides in a par. Which slide has a larger angle? Which slide do you think is safer for the little boy? Why? See, your little boy is standing. Here, two slides they are given. The right side of the boy, that slide angle is more. You can observe, and left side part is angle is less. So, he is a little boy. So, left side part slide is safer for that boy because it is less angle. Changing shapes. I already told by using matchsticks you can do so many shapes. Find out how many angles are there in each of these shapes. Mark them. See here, these shapes they are made. So these shapes, how many angles are there? You have to find. See, first figure you can see here, four angles are there. The corner, so four angles you have to mark. Second picture you can observe one, two, three, four, five. Because it is a pentagon, so five angles are there. Seventh, one, two, three, four, five, six. Six means which shape it is? It is hexagon. Six angles. Find out and write your result in the table given. Shapes. See here, so many shapes they are given. Change in angle. See, if it is change angle, see angle is change in this angle. These shapes you have to write here. First picture is hexagon. For this angle is change. Yes, angle it's change. Pentagon also. See, the top of the pentagon you can measure means it will show some result, and down if you measure it will show some measure. So change in angle. Yeah, the pentagon also change its angle. Yes, answer. And square also. If you press that square, so it will become little like rectangle. So here also angle will change like that. Only triangle will not, if you press the triangle also it, uh, so if you press the triangle also it retain its shapes triangle only. But this all figures square, pentagon and hexagon it will not looks like same figure, but triangle it looks like same only. So it is not change in its angle. Shapes and towers you can observe in this tower. In this three picture you can observe. Look for the triangle in the picture below, right? See, triangles are made it. See, so many bridges are constructed using triangle. Why, bridges and towers you can see buildings? Because triangle shape cannot change its shape. See, from the activity changing shape, can you guess why triangles are used in this tower or bridges? Why means triangle, if you press the triangle that shape will not change. See, triangle retain its shape like that only, and triangle balanced its shapes. See how much of that weight if you put on the triangle, so it will be a triangle only, it will not retain its shape. So for that purpose so many bridges and buildings, towers they are constructed using triangles. Look around and find out more places where triangle are used. See, triangles are used so many buildings, towers, and bridges. You can look around. You are staying, no? So there also look around your surrounding. So many triangles they are constructed using buildings. Angles and time. Zenith, your watch does not have digits. How do you read time? I just see the angle. See when the hands make a right angle, I know it is 9 o'clock. See, 9 o'clock means it will be exactly right angle. So like that, 3 o'clock also. So like that you have to think. The clock also it will best example for the angles. There are many times in a day when the hands of a clock make a right angle. Now you draw some more. Let us see. See here, 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock is also a right angle. And 9:30 also a right angle. And 3 o'clock I said already. Or 12:15. So it is also a right angle. Right. What kind of angle is made by the hands at this time? See here. Next question. Write what kind of angle is made by the hands of this time, also write the time. See, you have to write the time and also what type of angle it is, you have to write. Here 7:25 is the time, so angle is acute angle because it is less than 90 degree. And next picture it is 8:15. 8:15 is more than 90 degrees, so it is obtuse angle. And third picture it is time is 9:10, so it is also more than 90 degree, it is also obtuse angle. And fourth picture it is 9:25. 9:25 means it is more than 90 degrees, so it is a obtuse angle. And see, next it is 10 o'clock, it is acute angle, less than 90 degree, it is acute angle. Degree clock. Appu and Kittu are playing carom board. Appu hit the striker. It comes back at the same angle. See, carom board if you are playing means if you hit the pawn, then there also it will form a angle. So that only they are discussing. In the picture, 3 points A, B and C are shown. Draw a line to show from which point Kittu should hit to get the queen. So you can do this. If you want, you can measure the angle in the degree using degree clock. Degree is written as, see, the small dot. I already explained about degrees and how to measure angles by using a protractor. You know, protractor is an instrument in your geometry box. Previous year I already explained that. Now let us recall that one of the activities there, making a degree clock. So take a circle like this and you have to fold that circle. Half of the circle you have to make. See here, this is a circle, and if you fold that, it will become a half circle. See, this half circle you call it a semicircle. And again you have to fold that circle neatly, half part. See, it's look like this. Again you have to, one more time you have to fold that. See here, and now you open that foldings. See, you can see it look like this. See, here some foldings you can see, no, that foldings you can take a pencil or sketch pen or color pencil and draw that lines. See, I already done. See here, this is a straight line. Straight line means it is 180 degree. Here 0 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, 180 degree. You can observe here. So like this, you can do a activity, and see, like this, 2 strips you can cut and you can do activity like this. See, this is a can you guess how many degrees is the angle which is? See, half of a right angle. You know that right angle means 90 degree. In that half, you have to find. See how to find half of a right angle is equal to half into 90 degree. See, then you divide 2 with 90, you will get 45. So 2 ones are 2, 45 are 45, 2s are 90. So 45 degree it is. And 1 by 3 part of a right angle. 1 by 3 part means, see, we know that right angle is 90 degree. 1 by 3 into 90. So 3 if you divide with 90, you will get 30 degree. So 2 times of right angle. 2 times of right angle means double the right angle. So 90 plus 90, it is 180. Or 2 multiply with 90. So it is 180 degree. That is right angle. Angle in a paper aeroplane. Since 2 activities we did, like that only this paper aeroplane activity you do it yourself by seeing this. And angle with yoga. If you do yoga, so many angles it forms. See here, here in this picture. And here, see here, this one of the instrument in your geometry, it is in your geometry box, it is called as protractor. See this protractor, about this protractor I already explained in your last class. Let us recall that. See this protractor is having left side also 0 to 180 degree numbers are there, and right side also 0 to 180 degree numbers are there. So here 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, like that 180 degree, up to 180 degree is there. So if you see from right side also 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, so up to 180 degree is there. So both the sides it will be 0 to 180 degree is there. Inside and outside part you can observe, and you have to measure degree by using this protractor. Homework, you can see, draw the hands of a clock when they make an angle which is less than a right angle. Also write the time, and write 3 names using straight line and count the angle. 3 names you can write. You can write your